In the current digital world, your business growth depends on your sales team, customer service, digital presence, and branding. You might get confused on whether to build a strong sales force or work on the marketing of your brand. TMF Moving Solutions does it all. At TMF, we strive to increase profits while maintaining customer satisfaction by helping brands and businesses to create their online presence, achieve their marketing goals, and increase revenue with our well-trained, commission-based sales professionals. Our process is designed to empower your brand and help you to make money. Our large number of clients from various industries includes moving companies, moving brokers, auto transport, freight transportation, and much more. We offer quality consulting to help identify gaps, opportunities, and the result is a $1 million calendar. Our commission-based sales team, web developer, and social media analyst are ready to assist you in developing your company that will drive your business to new heights. TMF Moving Solutions. Ideas are easy. Implementation is hard. We're here to help you grow. Put yourself on the path to success.